we all know there are so many different ways to generate income online. It can be kind of overwhelming trying all these ways to generate income. You just have to figure out what works for you and what makes the most money. Because if it doesn't make money, then it doesn't make sense. So out of all these ways that we have on the internet nowadays, the best way to generate income is the ways where you do not actually have to do physical work. If you are able to outsource a service or even a product, then you have won. Because you will be able to then find that time that you save from outsourcing to find another source of income and find another way to generate more income into your pockets. So yeah, let's get right into this video. Guys, it's Viva La Pink Posh. Welcome back to my channel. And for those of you who are new here and it's your first time seeing my face, welcome guys. Here on my channel, I do a bunch of different entrepreneurial videos, whether you're trying to start a business or you want to be an influencer and produce income from that. I am your guy. Well, girl, obviously. Okay guys, so when you outsource services, it's going to be the same just like you're outsourcing products. But when you outsource services, you're literally going to go on to one of these platforms. They have so many different freelancing platforms. I feel like there are new platforms added every few months where you guys can check out people who offer services. My favorite is going to be Skillshare and also Fiverr. Fiverr is definitely my #1 place. So this video is going to be so quick and so easy, and you can just start experimenting on this method of outsourcing services. So what you are going to do is head over to a website for freelancing services. I recommend Fiverr because they have everything for cheap, and you can also find really good quality services there. So what you're going to do is choose the service you want to outsource. I would definitely say to start with one service so you're not all over the place and you have yourself organized. So you're going to choose a service. So say you wanted to do business flyers, or you wanted to work with people who are starting businesses and you want to do graphics and stuff like that for them. Again, you're not going to be doing the work. This is not a gig for you to do the work. You're going to be outsourcing the services. So you're literally going to go on Fiverr and find someone who does affordable quality graphics. So whatever type of graphics you are into, you're gonna find someone on Fiverr who offers this service. It has to be a quality service, and it also has to be affordable because you're gonna be adding your price on top of theirs. So say you find someone who does flyers for businesses. They do marketing flyers so other business owners can run ads. Okay, so you found the person and they're affordable, they're good quality. So the next thing I recommend you doing is head over to Facebook and join a lot of small business groups, entrepreneurial groups, groups for people that are just starting businesses, female boss groups. There are so many different business groups on Facebook. Join these groups. A lot of these people are just starting businesses. They don't know anything about doing their own graphics, and they're looking for people to hire to do their graphics for them. If you are in these groups, turn on your notifications. Whenever someone posts they're looking for graphics, stop. So while I have your attention, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free. I absolutely love making these type of educational videos for you guys, giving you guys free gems. People literally charge thousands of dollars for courses like this, which I think is absolutely absurd because we have YouTube University and you have people like me who are willing to give this information for free. So all I ask is that you guys subscribe and like this video. Subscribe. Back into the video. Have your guy over here on Fiverr who does really good graphics. Let's say he charges $5 for a flyer and you have someone who needs a flyer. So you would message this person looking for the flyer, and you would pitch the service of the guy who makes them for $5. But you're not going to pitch it for $5. You're going to pitch it for a upsell. You're going to upsell it. So if he sells it for $5, let's say you sell it for $15. Let's say you sell it for $25. So whatever you want your price to be and whatever price you feel is reasonable for that service that you're going to be providing to this person. So you're going to pitch to them the price. You can show them examples of the person's work, ask the person for examples of the work, and send it to this person who is going to be your customer. So once you book that gig with that person, the business owner that is looking for a flyer, you book the gig, you buy it from this guy, you're not coming out of pocket, you're using the money that this person sent you to make the flyer. So you're taking the $5 out, you're paying this guy, and you keep the rest. You keep the rest of the commission, you keep the rest of the sale. Whatever was extra, whatever you added, that's your pocket money. So you can continue doing this. I'm telling you guys, there are so many ways to make money like this. On Facebook, there are so many different opportunities. I keep telling you guys, stop sleeping on Facebook. There's so much money on Facebook. Even if you're not an influencer, if you're not a business owner, you can do upselling of services, which is absolutely amazing to do, and it's so easy. But once you get your first few sales, you're gonna see it's not hard at all. It's very easy to do. It's actually gonna feel like you're like, this is too good to be true. That's how easy it is to make this money upselling services that you don't even have to do. It's just you're using your brain a little bit more than other people are doing, which is the whole point. You want to work smart and not hard. You want to be able to generate income without busting your butt. And this is definitely a way that I would recommend to you guys. Like I said, it's super easy, and even teenagers can do this. Anybody can do this. All you need is a Fiverr account, and you also need a Facebook. Hit up the Facebook groups, look for people who are looking for whatever service you're selling. It doesn't matter, whatever service. It could be YouTube banners, YouTube freaking cover photos. It could be anything, whatever type of service that someone else is offering. You can even just go on Fiverr and look up the different services, and then look up groups on Facebook according to those services. And I'm telling you guys, you generate income from this, especially if you stay consistent with this and you're always looking for gigs and like jobs to fulfill. So yeah guys, that is gonna be it for today's video. Super easy, super sweet. And as a added tip, there are also a lot of groups for entrepreneurs, like people who are starting Airbnbs, and then you have people who are coaches like us. So you would get our coaching programs because a lot of the platforms that we use, they offer affiliates. So if you're taking our program, and even if you don't do Airbnb courses, like I said, affiliates, I always recommend affiliates. So if you're taking our course and you become an affiliate on the platform that we use, and you're referring our course to people, as we're making money, you're also making money from referrals. So that is another way. You guys, I swear, there are so many ways to make money online. It's just mind-blowing, and it can be very overwhelming. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Grasp it, try it, experiment with it, and let me know what you guys think. That's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, guys, bye.